So hi guys, I just turned my volume on mute so there'll be no distractions, but my brother's volume's on so you can still hear the Prodigy music, if you listen closely enough. So, it's Mercury, Vivian, and Isa here, and I'm playing Prodigy against this Bataram, which is like a fuzzy goat. That's kind of cute. And I'm going to be using Pebble on him. So, yes, it has one minus. No, it has two. So that's false. So, back to battle. So, if this is good, it should kill him. And it did.
Wait, are you on 41?
No, I'm on 42.
Well, hold it for you to go up some more.
So this is my younger brother, Jeremiah. That should be 100 gold coins in the magic egg. And 2 member stars.
Wow, you're not going to be leveling up anytime soon.
I just leveled up.
Oh. Well, I'm not going to be leveling up anytime soon either.
So I do not know why it started over. So if it did start over, it did not have the rest of my video. Welcome. We're climbing the Dark Tower. I have been filming from floor 41 so far, and I hope it did not terminate the rest of the recording. But if it did, well, then that's okay too. So I hope you weren't confused during the very beginning. I might try to cut that out, but I don't know how. So fortunately, I've only lost 40 hearts, but it could be much better. So.
Oh, Ariel, fun fact. In the Dark Tower, the only way to get hearts is by leveling up.
Yeah. Or by eating apples and stuff.
Yeah.
So, no, that's not true.
Hello, Arrow.
Next time I'll mark off the lines and symmetries for you, so you can actually learn something from this. And then maybe if your parents are a bit skeptical about letting you watch this, then they'll let you watch it if it's educational. So,
It's educational.
Parallel sides means opposite sides that are pointing towards the same direction.
Oh, even I can do this.
So, I think the answer is false. I'll show you why. Opposite sides, pointing towards the same direction. That's that. This is what they have. So, but that was false. So, I guess this is actually parallel. P and NP.
Yep, I knew it. I knew it was true.
So, fortunately, neither of us attacked.
Even I could do that.
Yes, you do have exactly 2 lines of symmetry. I'll show you. Line 1 and line 2. But actually, that's false. So, there's another one right there. And yet another one. But I know they're not going to fall for that. So, I'm going to just press true. Because, oh! I guess I was truly right.
I guess you were.
So that'd be 350 to 400.
That's a big number.
So you just round to the nearest 100. Since it's more than 50, then since it's more than 350, then we round to 400.
How much else does he have?
So, 103.
Oh, Oreo, if you get one of those as a pet, once I got one, after a few lizard battles, they'll be unstoppable.
Wow. So 6,905. That we just copied because sometimes the 100. And so now we just have a 000 because it's less than 50. So go out.
But he's still a baby, so he's hardly anything now.
So this is
He's just still a baby. That's good.
That's loose.
Yeah, it's a good thing he's a baby.
That's 200 coins in the magic egg.
Yay!
And some member stars, which is always useful. Because I'm really looking forward to this house. My best one? Yeah.
Oh, I have a better one than that. So.
What floor are you on?
I think, let me see.
So my next floor after this one is going to be a boss floor, which is going to be very fun and hard. 51. Okay, so in less than 10 floors I'll reach you since I'm on 44. So I get double stars. Oh, that's excellent. I've wanted to get this one for ages. So there's just someone coming over, so I'm going to try to pause this. So hi y'all, I'm back with Prodigy, but it looks like I got logged out during the time. But I had to. So I guess I'm gonna go to Snow Day. And I'm not gonna go back into Dark Tower.
Go to Brooks Cave.
So I guess I'll be doing a bit of stuff. Well, yes, I'll be battling the Titan.
The Titan!
So you've gotten a lot smarter since our last encounter. No wonder our mind illusions aren't working on you. This wizard will become more powerful than you can possibly imagine. Yeah. No matter how strong any one wizard is, they cannot defeat a Titan. This magic has survived for thousands of years and will not fail now. Look at that. Good luck. You're going to need it. Ha 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 ha!
It's a water Titan.
Wow. Stopping a Titan won't be easy. It'll be up to you and all the wizards in the world to bring it down by weakening any wizard map. Select the Titan when you want to battle it.
Wait, what world are you in?
It's, like snow something. Go on, Prodigy.
Wait, do you remember the picture of the world?
In Titan battles, you'll first need to break through the Titan's barrier. Once its barrier breaks, it will lose some hearts. Okay. But this is that, and enough times by you and other wizards, it will be defeated. You aren't alone in this fight. Get hearts from other wizards. So we're in Titan grounds now. So you're joining the battle against the Titan, are you? So, I'll make
the shadow magic.
Big Hex! As you battle it, the Titan charge will break off. When it's me, I can remove the shadow magic. So you powerful armor return.
20, that's released.
Well,
so what was the world? Get me on the world. get on my best armor.
I guess I'm gonna press pause.
Not like miners one bit. Before miners bark and keep about. Then miners come with scary wizard. Check.
Then hear about it.
Right. Miners would find you crystals.
So
Bark milk.
this is going to hurt me a lot.
Wizard can find chest in mines, but be careful. Shovel prize possession passed to Bach from dear mother.
So that should my younger brothers, pilots.
Here we go. Better place it
I'll leave a
on.
link to his blog in the description. Pilotstream at WordPress.com. So.
To the Titan! After you finish this wizard battle, I'll meet you outside of Titan Grounds.
Oh, I didn't know I did that. So actually, it looks like I've done a lot, but whoa, it's spinning! Ah, help me! Ooh. So it looks like I'm actually stronger than the Titan.
Oh yeah, Titans are very weak. Titans aren't that. Great.
See. Equal. Not equal. Not equal.
Oh wow! It's actually
Not
hard to
equal.
defeat a Titan, Mario.
Not equal. Not equal.
I'm meeting you at the Titan Grounds. I'm right next to Big Hex.
Sure, I'm almost done.
Oh, I really want to.
I almost got out. I almost got 1,000 points against him that one time. That would have totally killed. So I got. Is this just one kind of shard? Just one? Wow.
You can go with you can.
And that was like the most powerful thing I've ever done. I see you. Come on, I see you.
Different quest.
Let's battle him.
Oh, Titan?
Yeah.
The Titan's not very good at seeing close up. He's more of like a guy trying to stop people from
I'm
running
gonna.
away from him. Hey, Mr. Titan. Oh, I buddy the guy who's Big Hex.
Well, that's actually good.
Why?
I mean, so spinning. So I guess I'm pretty good against the Titan.
Yeah, me too. I'm pretty good against the Titans. I can like defeat them in 2 spells.
This guy has 99 hearts left.
99? No, he doesn't.
And then I got 96 spells. I got 96 hearts left. So I have to attack again.
Oh wow, mine's almost dead. My Titan's almost dead.
So I guess I'm gonna have to start my goodbye now.
Guess.
But I guess I can just finish this. See, it's just the
My
last
guess
spell.
didn't
So
work, so
I hope you
none of
enjoyed
them.
this video of me doing my Titan. And catching my Titan shards. I really hope you enjoyed this.
Titan shards.
And goodbye. I hope you have a very nice day. Do whatever you're doing.
battling the Titan.
And
Battle the Titan to earn Titan shards. Then lots of tech mice.
2 Titan shards. Let's
I'm
see.
going to probably do the Great Hall Lantern because I really want that.
Oh, the Great Hall Lantern. You
Battle the Titan to earn lots